Hi everyone, I'm Ram Kumar and I manage the tech team at MIQ Digital, which is an ad tech company. We are here to immerse ourselves in how to be happy ourselves first and how to make our entire organization be happy. Whatever we do in life, if we really break it down and keep going one step further and ask, right, why do I want to do this? What do I want to achieve? Eventually everything boils down to being happy and sort of realizing that. And we've seen so many role models where they are actually happy and then they are successful and not the other way around. And while all this sort of makes a lot of sense, practically how do we get there? How do each one of us be happy? How do we get our entire organization to be happy? We needed a nice, simple, practical structure to get there, and this workshop or in a play shop, however we want to call it, has given us beautiful tools, both quantitative as well as qualitative tools for us to get there. The biggest takeaway for me is the values were on sort of paper. How do we make that a living example in our organization? So we have a very nice structured plan where we will inspire people, and then we will assess where we are, and then we define how to get there, and then we start living it. And this is structured approach will get us there to start living our values through behaviors, and that's my biggest takeaway. If I have to summarize this whole 3-day experience in one word, I think that'll be positivity and optimism, right? So positivity breeds happiness, and I expect to take this back to my